Good morning. Someone asked me if I'd do a sound test of me of a tenor uke that I've tuned up to baritone tuning. So I'm going to do that. But first, I'm just going to compare you some other sounds of my other ukes. I've got 4 of my ukes here. 4 that I've played quite a bit. This is my number. This is the Tanglewood TU7 XSPL. It's a spaltered maple ukulele. This came with Aquila strings, tuned normal high GCEA. Got it wrong there. It's not an expensive uke, 120 quid. Should be. I got a good deal for about 80, brand new. Lovely patterns on it. I'm never happy with the strings. As Aquila strings on it. To me, Aquila, lovely strings. In the industry standard. But I think once you've been playing a while, you want something a bit more. I think it's always worth starting off with Aquila. It suits some ukes, not all of them. I've got them on a mainland uke, so people stopping my fish tank. Anyway, these are living water. They feel lovely to play. They're not as harsh as Aquila. Sometimes we play Aquila for a long time, the fingers get sore. They are like Ken says, it's like living water. It's really smooth strings. And they sound like this. Still learning that, but you get the tune. It's quite high, but it's not that bright in your face. I love to practice with this one. It's good for one to practice at night. So that's a high G, living water strings. Was my favourite strings until recently, till I got into living water. But still, I like them a lot actually. These are Worth Browns, and this is an Omega Zedro ukulele, concert size. The other one's concert size as well. Limited edition, can't get them anymore. I put that on because I played it so much it was wearing off the veneer. So that's a little bit I got from a little fretboard protector I got from China, just a bit perspex, thin perspex, and I cut round it and shaped it into there. Anyway, it's solid cedar top and laminate zebra wood around the outsides. These are Worth Brown strings. This is low G, so. I call this my chocolate uke because it sounds like chocolate, and I put M&M strap on it. Oh, I didn't show you the strap on the other one. This one's my banana uke. I think it looks like a bit of banana on the pattern on it. So I've got minions on that strap. Look, I like my straps. Yeah, so my chocolate uke. Tuned low G. The lovely brown strings as well. Look at them. I love the colour. Worth make clears as well. I did have a batch of clears. I think they're very similar to living waters, to be honest. So a little pick on this. I'm not doing what I was doing one of this. So you get the idea. It's nice and mellow, Right, put it onto one side a minute. Now we get into the good stuff. Now this is the baritone. Poppy strap, because I got it near Remembrance Sunday. It was the week of Remembrance, and I was in the services, so that's why I got a poppy strap. It's not a feminine thing. But anyway, so this is tuned low D. So it's like the top 4 strings of the guitar, or bottom 4 strings of the guitar, which way you look at it. Low D. It's D, G, B, E. Now, I keep repeating low D, because that don't sound like low D to me. I'll show you the other uke in a minute. It's very similar, and that's supposed to be high D, so maybe it's a size difference that makes it sound the same, I don't know, but I'm sure it's for low D. Anyway, this is one of my favourite ukes now. Baritone, by the way, I didn't mention that. Let me concentrate. I've not learned it properly, it's just to show you how it sounds. Now then, this is the new one, well, not the new ukulele. I started off, this is a Carla Sweet Pea 10th limited special edition, and this one is 159 of 500, all individually numbered. Only 35 came into the UK, as I'm told, from reliable sources, from Mr. Carla himself. I think it's supposed to come with the Adagio strings or something like that. But when I ordered it, I thought the red Aquila would look spanking on this, and we did. The red Aquila looks spanking, but I don't like the strings. They're very harsh, very tinny. I think it'd be very good on something like a banjolele. And they feel like when you rub your finger like that. They're very rough strings, and they got, I think it's because they've got some metal in there, got some copper in them, and they do look red, and they do look nice, but they weren't for me. Also very brittle, a lot of people having problems with breaking. When I decided to change them, I went to take off the A string, and I twisted it wrong way by mistake, and just a little sharp twist, it snapped the string straight off. So I was like, yeah, well that's why I'm changing it. So then I put low G work browns on here, which was good, it worked, but I still felt there was something missing. Baritone tuning was missing. These are living water baritone strings for a tenor. This is a tenor ukulele. It's solid acacia. It's one of me, well, until I got my cocoa boil, this is one of the most expensive ukes. This is about £350. This is a bit of a more ornate strap, or laid back strap if you like. So this is tuned high D. So D, G, D, A, D, G, D, A. Now it said this one's supposed to be low G. Listen to this. I'll try and pluck. This is supposed to be low D, high D. To me, there's no difference in that. If you compare high G to low G on the concert ukes. Oops. Low, high, low, whoops, sorry, long string, low, high, big difference. high, low. Now that's the same notes, isn't it? May God strike me dead if that's not the same. So either I made a mistake and ordered high D, or I got to send them on. In fact, no, I didn't make a mistake, because I checked the email. It was supposed to be high D, but it doesn't sound like it to me. The only thing I can maybe what's making a difference is maybe because this is a smaller scale, so it sounds higher. But there we go. So anyway, back to this one. This is supposed to have been a short video. It's now nearly 11 minutes now. So this is one of my new favourites now. I've retuned it. My wife said it to me actually. She says, "Oh, you're not gonna. You might break that. You know, you're messing about with strings." Always looking to swap the strings. I'm getting quite good at changing them around as well. It's reasonably neat. Not quite as neat as that one. I did them as well. Yeah, that's good. But anyway, it's high D. The best I've done on that. So that's the tenor ukulele with baritone tuning, high D, D, G, B, E. So that's news to you. Now we're down from work today, so I'm going to do some cleaning.